Hello VPN lovers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting tutorial that will help you achieve the best speed and a secure web connection. We're going to show you how to create a Shadowsocks server and set it up on Netmod VPN for a fast and secure web connection. But before we dive in, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for the SSHOcean website. In the search results, click on the official link to reach the website's homepage. Once you're on the homepage, navigate to the upper right corner and click on the hamburger icon to expand the menu list. From the options, select Services. A new window will pop up. Here, click on Shadowsocks, located below the SSH server list. You'll now see a new page displaying different server locations. Click on your desired location to reach the server list. Make sure to select a server from the list that is available and online. Once you've chosen your server, click on the Create button. You'll be taken to the server creation page. At the reCAPTCHA and click the Create Now button. Within a few seconds, your server account will be ready for use. Make sure to copy the Shadowsocks TCP details or choose whichever one suits your needs for future use. Now let's move on to setting up your Shadowsocks server on Netmod VPN. First, ensure you have the latest version of the Netmod VPN app installed. If you haven't done so already, head over to the Play Store, search for Netmod VPN, and install the app. Once the app is installed, open it by clicking the Open button. On the home page of the app, navigate to the upper right corner and click on the three dots to open a list of options. Select Import from Clipboard. Ensure you have already copied the server details from the SSHOcean website. After clicking Import from Clipboard, your server will be ready to connect in just a few seconds. Now, simply click the Play button at the bottom of the screen to connect and enjoy fast-speed browsing with a secure internet connection. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.